Hey guys, welcome to Monday. So today we're going to continue on with our equations like we've been doing. We're going to look at multi-step equations today. And pretty much you've already been doing it because last week we did two-step equations. And right now I'm not going to give you anything more than maybe like 3 steps. So you'll be okay, all right? So when we do multi-step equations, don't forget notes right below. When we solve multi-step equations, we do our order of operations, our PEMDAS, backwards. So where normally we would do parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. When we do multi-step equations, we actually work backwards. But if there's parentheses, if it's a denominator over everything, you've seen that it kind of gets a little tricky, but you guys have done really great so far. So good job, keep it up. Okay, first one is going to be one like this. So say we have 3x plus 5 over 2 equals 7. Okay, notice this is in parentheses. So first thing we have to do is our multiplication division. We can't touch that addition yet because it's inside those parentheses. So first thing we have to do is get that parentheses by itself. So if we multiply each side by 2, we'll get 3x plus 5 equals 14. You'll notice I immediately dropped those parentheses because it's now by itself, so the parentheses kind of just, they drop off, okay? Now what we can do, just like you did last week, we can subtract 5. So we get 3x equals 9. Last step, we would divide each side by 3. And so 9 divided by 3, we would get x equals 3. Okay? If you have questions, it's okay. Reach out to me, let me know. I can walk you through it, okay? Let's try another one. All right, let's try this one. Let's try negative 20 equals negative 4x minus 6x. Okay, here the first thing that we have to do is combine like terms. So we have negative 4x and negative 6x. Negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. So here we'd have negative 10x, and that's equal to negative 20. Now you'll see that the x is on this side. Instead of being over here like we would normally see it, that's okay. It's all the same thing. So if we take and divide each side by negative 10 now, negative 20 divided by negative 10 is a positive 2. Sorry, I got the hiccups, guys. I just drank a whole can of Coke, and now I got the hiccups from all the carbonation. X is 2. Let's try one more. Now the questions I'm giving you guys today are directly like the ones that I'm putting in these notes, okay? So you shouldn't see any surprises. If you do, I apologize, it must have slipped. Let me know, but I'll double check and make sure that there's no surprises for you. All right, our last one is gonna be this. I'm gonna have 5p minus 14 equals 8p plus 4, okay? You'll see here we have a variable on both sides of the equation. Remember, when we move something to the other side of the equation bar, we have to do the opposite operation. So this over here is a plus 5p. I am going to subtract it over here, okay? So now on this side, we're just left with negative 14 equals 8p minus 5p is 3p. And we still have plus 4. All right, just like doing our numbers like we're about to do here, just with a variable to combine them up together, okay? So now we're going to subtract 4 from each side. Negative 14 minus 4 is negative 18. On this side we have 3p. Now we divide each side by 3. So it cancels out. Negative 18 divided by positive 3. Negative divided by positive is a negative. So on this one, we would get P equals -6 because 18 divided by 3 is 6. All right. So don't forget, I put the notes right below for you. Questions very close and similar to these. Let me know if you need any help. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.